Today we have a 2018 Freightliner with 26-foot box and aluminum liftgate. It came with Cummins 6.7 engine and the Allison transmission. So this is a California truck. It's no rust on the ram. You can see it has air brakes, air suspension, no damages, clean title, California compliant. The DEF is working, so the truck hasn't any issues. This is how we get it working. There we go. Getting flat. On this side it has a side door also. Two tanks for a diesel. One is here, one other side. You can see the condition of the engine of the old truck.